what's your guys' plans for spring break? Oh my god, I'm gonna go ride unicorns in Bermuda.
I'm gonna sleep for 25 hours. I'm so happy I'm done with my 400-page essay. It was so hard.
I know, I'm so glad we're done writing about the Enlightenment for like the 4 millionth time.
Hey guys, welcome to spring break.
Hey.
With the girlies.
Aren't you guys supposed to be introducing the assembly?
Oh wait,
Oh, shoot.
I forgot.
You're too busy on spring break. We need to introduce spring pep assembly first.
Wait, that's a thing?
Yes, that's what we're doing right now.
Really?
Wait, that's why we
Yeah.
have the camera?
I thought we were
Cut the cameras.
I hopped up the plane at LA.
Cut the cameras.
And now please welcome the Decatur Band performing the national anthem.
And now introducing the Decatur tier with a performance and the hand jive.
And now introducing our spring sports captains.
Hey guys, my name is Maya and I'm the captain of the track and field team, and this is my 4th year on the team.
I'm Jaden Gonzalez. I play Decatur soccer, and this is my 4th year playing.
Hi, my name's Emma, and I'm a senior captain this year.
Hi, my name is Kayla and I'm also a senior captain.
Hi, my name's Taylor, and I'm also a senior captain. And we have all been playing for the last 4 years.
My name is Jack. I play baseball. I'm a junior, so this is my 3rd year with the program. I've been playing as long as I can remember.
Hi, my name is Yana. I'm one of the captains for this year's girls tennis team, and I've been on the team for 2 years.
Our next meet is next Thursday, so please come out and support.
Our next game is today, Friday, April 1st, against Auburn High School at Federal Memorial Stadium at 7:30.
Our next game is Tuesday, April 12th at home versus Tahoma at 4 p.m.
Please come.
Be there!
Our next home game is April 4th. We play Auburn at home.
Our next home game is the 5th of April against Featherweight High School at the courts.
We had one win, scrimmage game 4-0 against Falls High School.
So far, we have a 1-1 standing, 1 win, 1 loss, and yeah.
I'd say that overall we're doing really good. I think we have a lot of potential this season, and I'm excited.
Yeah, we've just been making constant improvements, so come out to a game and you'll see them.
So far, our team's undefeated. We're 2-0. We have some really good pitching, really good defense, and some timely hitting that's been working well for us. So we're looking to be pretty hopeful this year and looking to go to playoffs.
We have 1 out of 1 wins this year.
So some advice for incoming freshmen, I would say be prepared to run a lot and take a lot of time to take care of yourself. Track is a really intense sport that will put a lot of straining on your body, so just be prepared to stretch, drink water, and eat a lot of food.
I would just say go try it out. You never know if you're gonna like it. You're gonna meet new people and you're just gonna have fun.
So some advice that I would give to some incoming members is probably just to interact with the teammates. I know that it might be a little bit scary coming in as a freshman or whatever age level, grade level, but you have to kind of interact because it's a team sport.
To continue what she was saying, we welcome all levels of play. So even if you've never played before, you guys should come out. We're a very open and welcoming team. I could say that personally I've had some really fun experiences and I love playing. So 10 out of 10 recommend to come out.
Yeah, just get out there and put yourself out there and you will make friends.
So anybody I'd say that's incoming to the program is just try and immerse yourself with everybody. We got our upperclassmen that are going to help you out. If you need any help, you can come to me or any of the upperclassmen. We'll help you out if you need anything about practice or anything like that.
Tennis is a no-cut sport, and so all skill levels are welcome. It's a good way to make new friends and socialize.
My favorite thing about track is how competitive it is. It's just really fast-paced, and you can do a lot of things, so you can try all sorts of things. And once you find something you like, you get to stick with it for a really long time. So I really like that.
Just going out playing with friends from school. You get to see them in the classroom, but never on the field, and you get to have fun out there with them.
Last season, we played TJ at the Little League Complex, and it was a Friday night under the lights game, and we won, which was really fun and exciting.
It was a super close game. We were pretty level with skills, and so it was really crazy to see each other battle, and then obviously we came out on top. Yeah, it was a really exciting game, and I'm excited to have that happen again this year.
My favorite memory at Decatur for baseball has been last year when we won our championship game. It was a really tough game, really a team win. Everyone participated and it was fun to just send our seniors off with a win.
My favorite memory is being able to make new friends through playing a sport I love.
Alright, kiddos, for your next class competition, your class representatives will be given 3 minutes to cut out as many paper flowers as possible. Good luck.
I'm Ari, and I'm your senior class representative. You guys should talk to me while I do this. I'm nervous.
You're doing really great.
No, I'm not.
You're doing good. Yeah, keep going, Ari. Give us some music recs, Ari.
All these songs, guys.
It's not in focus, Ari.
Oh, I really like. Yeah. Anyway, guys.
Anyways, you're at 20 seconds.
Girl, what am I supposed to do about that? Cry?
Hurry up. I don't know. Do a better job.
I am doing a good job. This goes out to Miss Choi. I love you. And Patrick.
You're at 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because I thought about cutting it, but I just didn't.
Thank you. Great job.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and I'm your junior representative. Okay. Hopefully this goes well.
She's literally copying
I'm not copying you.
No,
This is my own idea.
Yeah, I see different techniques being used. I really don't think they're similar at all. I mean, yours already like looks better, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Catherine, give us your music recommendation. My music recommendation?
Yeah, give us your music recs, Catherine.
Anything but country music.
Yeah! 15 seconds.
Oh my god.
We're also judging this.
Are you booing me? You know, are you just mad that I did a better job?
Oh!
Don't try that.
So I have this one, it's half cut out, so 1.
Yeah.
This one is not. 2. 3. 4. 5. But mine are pretty. Hi, my name is Ava, and I will be representing the sophomores.
Right, 3 minutes on the clock, and go.
Okay.
Yeah, Ava.
If I throw stuff at her, will you get mad?
Yes.
Ava, can I throw stuff at her? So tell me how it feels being a twin.
Yeah.
It's very competitive.
Are you better than her?
Yes.
Morgan, say something. Hit her.
Morgan. Reply.
No, I'm definitely the better one. The younger ones are always better.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, she's a trailblazer coming out first.
That's true. And I mean, she's the one that's like representing the sophomore class right now. So like, which by the way, you're at 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
What's your music rec?
Yeah, give us your music recs.
I pretty much like everything that I like. Selena, like
Yeah.
the
Gomez?
No, well, I mean, yes, but like I like Selena Quintanilla. I like that.
Oh, she's
Do you listen to country?
No. Two ugly ones, and then like 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like kind of uncut ones.
It's okay. Great job.
Hey Gators, I'm Helena Thomas and I'll be your freshman representative.
2 minutes on the clock.
So Helena, what's your favorite song?
It's gotta be something by the weekend.
By the weekend.
Yes.
Something by the weekend. Something, anything by the weekend, to be honest.
I agree.
Do you listen to country music?
Honestly, no.
Your time is up. Perfect. Okay. Now, if you could show up what you cut out.
Okay, I cut out the ones that they gave me. I have like 5 circle ones. Okay, they're all circled. And I have one kind of more intricate.
Let's count.
Here's my official census. I'm not biased. I swear I'm not biased.
You didn't kill her. It's just...
Juniors are first.
No, hold on. We need to count because the freshmen and sophomore are out.
Freshman, sophomore year.
I'm sorry.
You're done.
Girl. Okay, the juniors got. Hold on.
Cut out 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5.
3.5. Yeah.
So 3.5 for juniors, just because they cut out more.
Okay.
You know? Seniors, I'm
Okay.
0.8.
Oh!
0.8?
0.8.
No. Hold on.
I thought you said you weren't going to be
1.8.
biased.
That
2.8.
is not biased. That's biased.
You're being biased.
One,
Look
two,
at it.
three.
Are you not looking at it?
What about this one?
Yeah.
This one. And
Yeah, but
this
look,
one.
they attempted. So I gave them the 0.8 instead of the 0.5. You feel me?
I can save you.
Ah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
2.8 to 3.5.
Juniors win.
Thank you. Our fellow esteemed judges, thank you so much. All right, and that concludes the segment of cutting out flowers. Ari, what do you have to say?
It's okay, we still like each other.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to show off my crafting skills. Would I do it again? No. But stay in school, don't do drugs, and do your high school and beyond plan.
Yes, the high school and beyond plan. High school and beyond.
High school and beyond.
High school and beyond plan.
Yes. Okay, I got it.
High school and beyond plan.
Do you?
Miss Franks will watch this and she will agree with you. Wait, someone
Me
call
not
me.
having my community service hour.
Yes.
Slay!
All right, Gators. For our last pep assembly game, we're going to be having a water balloon throwing competition. Players will try to toss a water balloon without breaking it, and teams will be split up between freshmen and sophomores versus the seniors and the juniors. Good luck, guys.
I'm Debbie, and I'm a junior.
And I'm Oscar, and I'm a senior.
Hi, I'm Ezra. I'm a sophomore.
Hi, I'm Naya. I'm a freshman.
My favorite book would probably be How the Word is Passed by Clint Smith. It came out, I think, last year. It's a really great book about the history we tell in our country and how do we share those narratives and thinking about fact and story and how do we actually tell this history without like harming people's memories of people in their lives and stuff. It's a fantastic book. You should really read it. It's great.
And I remember in high school, so when I graduated from high school, my favorite book was Wild Apart, and this was a graduation present. And this was my favorite book when I was about your guys' age, because I thought about, what am I going to do with my life after high school? And this book was kind of a guide, being a young teenager, transition to being a man, and what that's going to look like. So that's why.
My favorite book is called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The reason why I like this book is because my family, we don't really come from a lot of money. So my family's not from America, so they're financially illiterate. So they never taught me anything about savings or investing and things like that. So the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad actually helped me with that and become more financially stable in my life. So
my favorite book is The Black Klansman. And the reason it's my favorite book is because it shows a different perspective and the different eyes of the lives of black people as a whole.
I'm so tired. I couldn't sleep last night. I only slept for like 5 hours. I just want to go home. I cannot wait to have spring break. What should I do in spring break? There's a lot of things to do. You can watch a movie. You get to hang out with family. Man, I cannot wait to watch like Star Wars. Yay!
Go for a taco right about now. I wonder what flavor of ice cream I should get. Chocolate, vanilla? Too many choices. Oh yeah, spring break is coming up. Yeah, can't wait for that. Man, I need a nap. Just so badly. I could probably take one in my next class, whatever that is. Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap.
Consent to this beforehand?
Yes,
you
it's
consented
fine.
to this
It's
beforehand?
fine.
It's fine?
Yeah,
okay,
it's fine.
Thank
It's
you.
fine.
Thank you.
Oh, it is and always is a great.